Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got this I was going to say Porsche, but sorry, it's an Audi A5 V6 diesel. Sorry, rephrase that. We have removed the actual EGR cooler. There was like insufficient flow from the fault for the actual EGR cooler on this one, so we have removed it out, which is this one here. We're going to put a new one in the actual car, and we're going to clean the DPF as well at the back there. The back part of this part here is a DPF, so this one here is going to come off, and then we're going to do the cleaning using the liquid moly 2-stage clean. And we're going to replace the oil separator as well, this one here. Every time you remove this, you might as well just replace the oil separator, because if they go bad, then you pretty much have to rip the whole thing apart again to do the whole job again. Certain parts, when you remove the actual EGR cooler and intake, you've got to actually replace them now before they fail. Alright, just want to come into the intake manifold here. Today we're actually cleaning the intake to take this black soot off. This is the soot from the diesel. So this is the fourth intake manifold here, and this is the main intake on the top for the photo body here. See how dirty, this is really dirty. So today we're trying to clean everything out properly and using intake decarb diesel. It's really hard, but we can actually get it out so we can actually have the car running properly. Alright, and then we got the engine brace on top here, so when the parts come in for the engine mount, we can take everything apart and drop the engine mount bottom part of the here down, so we can actually get to the engine mount, which is located in engine mounts inside there. So I'm not sure why Audi put a engine mount like that, but that's how it is. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.